Hello, everyone! Today is a very special day because we're going on our first family trip to Hawaii. Yay! We've packed our bags, grabbed our sunglasses, and we are ready for sunshine, beaches, and lots of priključenja. Oops, I mean adventures. Come with us on this unforgettable family journey. All right, team, passports ready?
Tickets?
Snacks?
I brought cookies and more cookies and even more cookies.
That's not snacks, that's a bakery. Look at the planes, they're huge.
Are we flying on that one?
Yes, Leo, and it will take us all the way across the ocean.
Across the ocean? What if we fall?
Don't worry, planes don't just fall, they glide very professionally.
It doesn't help.
Wow, we're so high up. The clouds look like cotton candy.
I want to jump on them.
Please don't. Next up, Hawaii. Whoa,
It's so green.
and warm.
And look, palm trees everywhere.
Aloha! Welcome to Hawaii. Aloha! What does aloha mean? It means hello and goodbye and love.
One word does all that? That's efficient.
First stop, the beach. Yes! Look at the ocean. It's so blue.
Time for swimming.
Cannonball! Splash! Leo, you splashed me.
That's the point.
Don't go too far. Stay close. Let's build a sandcastle.
I'll make the biggest one ever.
I'll help. I'll supervise with a drink. Look, towers, walls, and a bridge.
And a moat.
Wave crashes. No!
My masterpiece.
Nature always wins, buddy. Who's hungry? Me! Try some local food. What's this? This is poke, fresh fish with rice.
Raw fish?
Be brave.
Okay. Tastes. Wow, it's actually good.
Try this, pineapple. It's so sweet.
This is the best fruit ever.
And for dessert, shave ice.
Colors. I want all the colors.
Look, they're dancing. That's hula dancing. Can we try?
Oh no, this will be embarrassing.
Instructor, move your hips like this.
Like this?
Everyone laughing. Dad, you look like a confused penguin.
A dancing penguin. I regret everything.
Today, we visit a volcano.
A real volcano?
Is it going to explode? Not today.
Good. I like not exploding.
Look, the lava rocks. This feels like another planet.
I'm an explorer, Captain Leo.
Please don't explore into the volcano. Let's go hiking. It's like a jungle.
It's like a jungle.
I hear birds and something else, rustling sound.
What was that?
Just a chicken.
A jungle chicken?
Wow, a waterfall. It's beautiful.
Can we go in?
Carefully, splashing sounds. This is amazing.
Best day ever.
Look at the sunset. The sky is pink and orange.
It's like a painting.
This is why we travel. Together.
Can we stay forever?
Let's start with a week. I'm tired. Me too. One more thing. Movie night.
Yes.
With popcorn. Everyone, best family ever. I loved the beach.
I loved the food. I loved the adventure.
I loved being together.
Can we go again next year?
Start saving your allowance. And that was our first family trip to Hawaii. We laughed, explored, tried new things, and made unforgettable memories together. What was your favorite part? The beach, the food, the volcano? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun family stories. See you next time.